Health benefits of eating pineapple that you did not know. Welcome to the video, guys. Hard from the outer side, whereas soft and delicious from inside, pineapple is one of the best gifts of nature and is packed with tons of benefits. It's a fruit that grows in South America and is filled with many nutrients, antioxidants, and many other amazing mixtures that help us in fighting inflammation, injury, and disease. In this video, we're going to show you the immense benefit of eating pineapples, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Number 1. Loaded with nutrients. Pineapples are highly beneficial to eat when you want to consume fewer calories and more nutrients. Reportedly, 1 cup of pineapple chunks contains 82.5 calories, 1.7 grams of fat, 1 gram protein, 26.6 gram carbs, and 2.3 grams of fiber. It also has 131% vitamin C, 76% manganese, and many other nutrients. As we all know, vitamin C helps in growth and development. Eating a sufficient amount of pineapple also ensures a healthy immune system and helps in absorption of iron from the diet. Number 2. Post-surgical recovery and wound healing. Bromelain, an enzyme that is extracted from the stems of pineapple, is used in medicines. According to report, this enzyme speeds up the healing process of wounds and helps in recovering after surgery. Moreover, the management of bromelain before surgery can greatly reduce the days of recovery. Bromelain also aids in removing pain and inflammation post-surgery. The other benefit of eating pineapple is a reduction in swelling and edema after surgery. Number 3. Pineapple for weight loss. One of the best benefits of pineapple includes its weight loss properties. As discussed, pineapple has fewer calories and more nutrients, which makes it a perfect food to be included in your diet routine. A slice of pineapple has 42 calories and 4% carbs. The proteolytic enzymes of pineapple help to break protein molecules in the body and hence remove belly fat. Bromelain also contains lipolytic and proteolytic effects. If taken in sufficient portions, pineapple will be able to burn overall body fat. Moreover, if your body is water resistant and is bloating, eating 1 cup of pineapple regularly will result in reducing the bloating and will reduce the overall weight of your body. Number 4. Its enzymes can ease digestion. Bromelain aids digestion and fastens the metabolism. Bromelain works as proteases, melts the protein molecules, and easily absorbs over the small intestine. This process eases digestion for everyone, especially people with pancreatic insufficiency. Consuming pineapple for patients with pancreatic insufficiency has been seen as an ease digestion. People who are patients of severe constipation and slow metabolism should also consume pineapple on a daily basis to relieve the symptoms of indigestion. Number 5. Contains disease-fighting antioxidants. Pineapples are filled with healthy antioxidants. The antioxidants in pineapple help your body fight oxidative stress. Antioxidants are molecules that help your body combat oxidative stress. This process stops the body cell from causing damage and reduces chronic inflammation. Being rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and phenolic acids improves the immune system and saves us from harmful diseases. Number 6. May help reduce the risk of cancer. Cancer is a deadly disease that can occur without any previous symptoms. The causes of developing tumors or cancer cells are oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. According to research, consuming pineapple reduces the risk of cancers, as pineapples greatly reduce oxidative stress and reduces inflammation. In 2 separate studies, bromelain was seen decreasing the growth of breast cancer cells and also helped in killing the cancerous cells. Moreover, some other researchers suggest that bromelain is also capable of fighting the cancer cells in the skin, bile duct, gastric system, and colon, etc. Having said that, proper treatment should be continued to fight the diseases. Number 7. May boost immunity and suppress inflammation. If you feel that you're consuming less nutritious food or your kids are not fond of healthy food, you should introduce them to pineapples, as pineapples contain tons of healthy vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that are highly beneficial for boosting immunity and suppress inflammation. According to research, a special study was done on children by feeding them with lots of pineapples. The research resulted in the improved immune system of the children and proved that the children who ate lots of pineapples were at a lowest risk of viral and bacterial infections. Moreover, pineapple consumption increased the disease-fighting white blood cells in children more than 4 times than normal. Number 8. May ease symptoms of arthritis. Arthritis or joints disease is one of the most common diseases in the world. According to research, almost 54 million adults in the US have arthritis or start seeing the symptoms of joint pains. The cause is mainly the inflammation of joints. As we know that pineapples contain bromelain, their anti-inflammatory activity relieves joint pain and eases the symptoms of inflammatory arthritis. According to the research, patients of osteoarthritis, when given medicine that contains the digestive enzyme supplements containing bromelain, have witnessed relief in joint pain. Moreover, it is also said that bromelain can treat osteoarthritis as well as helping in reducing the symptoms of arthritis. Number 9. May speed up recovery after surgery or strenuous exercise. If someone wants to speed up the recovery process after the surgery or breaking muscles due to tough exercise, eating pineapples is the best way to achieve these results. Not only severe surgeries and pain from cuts and bruises, bromelain also help in dental surgeries. People who've consumed bromelain in the form of pineapple or supplements before a dental surgery face slight pain and recovered quicker than those who did not. Therefore, it is of utmost importance that if you're preparing for surgery, you should start consuming pineapple and increase the quantity of bromelain in your body. Many times we've seen that sometimes the hard exercise damages the muscle tissues and causes severe pain and inflammation in the muscles. Resultantly, the muscles remain sore for many days. In this case, increasing the intake of bromelain is believed to speed up the recovery of those muscles and quickly recovers the muscles from pain and reduces inflammation. In the second part of this video, we're going to show you the immense benefits of drinking pineapple juice. Famous among people due to its flavorful taste and light weight, pineapple juice is widely used by kids and adults. Whereas pineapple juice, when mixed with warm water, is known to have amazing health benefits that can help people fight diseases and gain benefits such as improved digestion, heart health, reduced inflammation, and will also protect against tumors and cancer. Number 1. It contains additional beneficial compounds. Pineapple juice is rich in nutrients, especially minerals and vitamins. Therefore, it's a good way of getting all the necessary antioxidants. When taken with warm water, the antioxidants found in pineapple juice help neutralize unstable compounds known as free radicals, which can build up in your body due to factors like pollution, stress, or an unhealthy diet and cause cell damage. Pineapple juice also contains bromelain, a group of enzymes linked to health benefits such as reduced inflammation, improved digestion, and stronger immunity. Number 2. May suppress inflammation. Pineapple juice, when mixed with warm water, may help reduce inflammation, which is the main cause of many chronic diseases. Bromelain is the magic content known to be as good as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and NSAIDs for the treatment of inflammation. In Europe, bromelain is even advised to be used to reduce inflammation caused by trauma or surgery. Moreover, in severe cases like surgical wounds or deep burns, drinking pineapple juice mixed with warm water is also known to be beneficial. On few occasions, it has also seen that ingesting bromelain before the operation has highly helped in lessening the level of chronic inflammation and pain caused by the operation. Moreover, even in other cases of pain and inflammation, pineapple juice is suggested to reduce the pain caused by sport injury, rheumatoid arthritis, or osteoarthritis of the knee. Number 3. May boost your immunity. pineapple juice is the best way to achieve a strong immune system. According to a report, bromelain, which is a mixture of enzymes found in the stem of pineapple juice, helps in improving the immune system. Bromelain is also beneficial to decrease the effects of infections like pneumonia, sinusitis, and bronchitis and asthma. It is noted that bromelain works as a magic potion. Children who drink pineapple juice mixed with warm water regularly have shown better health conditions and had caught fewer viral infections. Number 4. May help your digestion. Pineapple juice is filled with enzymes that work as proteases. Proteases, as we know, help in melting the protein into smaller units such as amino acids and small peptides. This way, these proteases easily absorb in your gut and help improve digestion in people with weak pancreatic function. People who are patients of pancreatic insufficiency can achieve lots of benefits from pineapple juice if consumed regularly. Number 5. May help fight certain types of cancer. Drinking pineapple juice may also help in fighting cancer. Yet again, the bromelain stops the development of tumors. If the tumor is already present, pineapple juice can help in shrinking the size of tumor and sometimes even kill the cancerous cells. Number 6. May reduce asthma symptoms. The best part of drinking pineapple juice is it is extremely effective in diminishing the symptoms of asthma. According to research, bromelain's anti-inflammatory effects present in pineapple help people who have conditions like asthma. Moreover, pineapple juice contains a high amount of vitamin C, which helps in reducing the symptoms of bronchitis and the allergies related to it. Pineapple juice can be consumed while facing the symptoms of a cold. In another research, young children who had a sinus infection recovered a lot better by taking a bromelain supplement, instead of recovering from the usual treatment, which makes it evident that pineapple juice is packed with nutrients that help reduce the symptoms of sinus infection. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to watch more amazing content.